Michigan is a leader in this emerging field of biophysics. Biophysics is taking the physical principles and the quantitative framework that's been developed and used in physics and chemistry and applying that to understand biological problems and processes.
In the last 2 decades, it's really become accepted and recognized both within the physics and chemistry and biology worlds as a unique discipline. I think the successful biophysics student is inherently curious, inherently cross-disciplinary. The nice thing about the biophysics program here is the faculty is fairly energetic and collegial, so there's a lot of opportunity to work with different people and to try out different things. And being situated in the University of Michigan and how huge it is, that if there's something you want to do, you can find a way to do it.
It's a fundamental science, and it's also a quantitative science. And so the integration of this is very powerful. It can answer a broad spectrum of questions across all different skills. In our program, our faculty do both research and teaching. When you come here, you have your research lab. So typically you have both dry labs and wet labs.
Many of the other biophysics programs are adjuncts to an existing program here that is an undergraduate biophysics program in a college of literature, science, and arts. And the graduate program and the graduate faculty is broader than the faculty that's focused on the undergraduate program. It's like being a kid in a candy shop. I mean, there's this broad range of different things that are being done.
It's very interdisciplinary, and so we're trying to study something about life, something about biology, using techniques in physics.
Because a lot of biology is becoming more quantitative, it's really gaining a lot of popularity and relevance. I'm interested in how the thermodynamics of cell membranes affect how these different receptors function.
It is a hot topic in the field, but biophysics also encompasses computational modeling, system biology, and modeling biophysics, and even single-cell molecule analysis. So it is much broader and more diverse than what we think. My project is about studying the robustness of early cell cycles in frogs.
I ended up joining a lab that was focusing on single molecule microscopy.
My research is in computation, so I do modeling of microtubules, which are part of the cell.
We are, in fact, a relatively small unit, the size of the graduate program, in a highly interactive environment. Every graduate student is known by the faculty and get very, very individual treatment in terms of their career mentoring.
If you're going to pursue a career in pure research, the research at this university is quite spectacular. The amount of resources that the students are given, all of which have incredible instrumentation and equipment to work with.
Everyone in the department knows each other, and so there's always that sense of community, but then you can venture outwards and meet people from the med school and from other departments.
The university is kind of right next to the actual city, so it's easy to go from work and then see live music or something. It's a very queer-friendly place, which is great.
There are a lot of good restaurants and coffee shops in downtown area.
I would consider Ann Arbor to be a small city, but with a lot of the same resources that you would get as a large city.
Biophysics is a growing field, a rapidly growing field, with advances in experimental measurements and big data.
There are maybe a few programs out there are similar to us. The most unique thing here, because of the nature of interdisciplinary research that all faculty do, we are very diversified.
I think that all of us faculty view our roles as that of helping to sculpt our future scientists